Welcome friends in our SQL Server Integration Services session. In our last session we have started to explore more about if we are talking about Foreach Loop Container in SSIS, then we should have to know it is available in the container, not provide any specific functionality. It is helpful in control flow. Click on the enumerators type and configure the enumerators. Please keep in mind, if you are going to use any for each loop container in your package, then at least we should require an internal task within the for each loop container body, because without this we are not able to anything with the help of for each loop container. So in our previous section we have talked about collections. So in our last video you can see we have started on SQL enumerator. So in this session we are going to explore more about for each item enumerator. For each item enumerator. So if I'm talking about for each item enumerator in for each loop container, then with the help of this we can define the items in the for each item collection and include columns and column data types, and we can use these to enumerate items those are in collection. So we are going to back here. Now you can see in this section, if we are going to choose for each item enumerator, we have the option to add columns. Okay, column. So we have added the columns. Okay, now you can see we can't change the column name, but we can change the data type, their data types. Okay, now in this example we are going to add a column. Okay, and click on OK button. Now after adding the column we can add the value, we can create a collection which is going to be used in the for each loop container with, and it will treat as a for each item enumerator. So I am going to use some values over here like Sunday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday. Okay, now you can see we have created item collection here. Okay, and I am going to variable mapping. So what I am going to do, I am going to create a new variable, and the level of the variable is package level, and the variable name is a day name. Okay, now you can see these values are assigned to the variable which we have already created right now. So these are the indexes. If I am talking about this, there is a column 1, column 0 should be index 0, and it would be mapped here. Suppose if you are going to add new columns, then you can map these column with the variable name as we did here. Okay, now you can see without any other task, for each loop container is not usable. It depends on other tasks. after assigning collection to for each loop container, we can try to, you can see we did not get any kind of the error. That means our collection is created successfully. We have to we have to do some other functionality with the help of these collections. For this, what we are going to use, we are going to create a new variable, that is directory path. And it should be string type, and its scope is project level. Okay, now we need to create some directory over here, so we are going to copy this value and assign this value to our variable. For this, what we need to do, we need to create a directory based on the collection like this. First of all, it should be like this. Okay, then year name, that is current year, then month, then day name like Monday. So we need to create a directory like this. For this, what we need to do here, first of all, we need to create a new variable like full directory path. Okay, and it should be string type. Now we need to set the actual value like this. For this, what we need to do, we need to go to the expression section. In the expression section, you can see that we have the variable values like this, directory path, and you can evaluate expression. Then we need to add year. For this, what we need to do here, now you can see we need to add get date plus get date. Get date is already a inbuilt function. Now you can see that is get date. Now we need to get the year, so we are getting year, and because that is date time and that is a string, we need to convert it as a typecast. We need to typecast it. The value is 4. Okay, now I am going to execute it. Now you can see we have the year. Same here, what we are going to do here again, we need to get the month. So same, copy this and paste this. That is month. Now value should be 2. Evaluate is, now you can see, now plus we are going to add month name, day name. So we have the day name in our collection plus, now you can see we have generate. If we are going to run this on the runtime, it will generate the get the collection name, get the name from the collection. Now you can see we have built a expression for the full directory path variable. Okay, click on OK button. Okay, and close the variable window. Now we need to verify which kind of the value is generating in for each loop container. For this I am going to use a script task. So script task is another fabulous feature of SQL Server Integration Services because it provides a way to write a custom code. Sometimes there is no feature to handle this kind of stuff. Then we, with the help of script tasks, we can do this kind of the activities. Now you can see we have the script task. I am going to the edit section. Okay. Now you can see we are passing read only variable as a full directory user full directory path. Okay, now we need to write some program to show the message which kind of the value is containing in full directory path, which is expression based value. So we are going to click on edit script. Now you can see a new project window already open here, and we need to read this variable value. So that is a functionality message box dot show. Now dts dot variable collections. The name is full directory path dot value. Because value is an object, we need to convert it into the string. So here it is very easy to read a variable value with the help of scripters. Now we have to save the project and close the project window and click on OK button. Now you can see we have the script task. And we need to execute our program. Now you can see that is the value generated based on the collection. First collection was Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. Now our value, our Foreach Loop Container is working based on the item collection. Okay. Now we have to create directories in this place. So for this we are going to use another task component, that is file system task. File system task is a very important task in SSIS because if we want to move, create, delete any files or any directory, then this feature is going to be used over here. Just right click on it and go to the edit window. So in this window, a destination path variable is true. Okay, now we are operation type is create directory. Okay, now is source path variable is true and source variable should be full directory path. Okay, click on OK button and execute the package again. Now you can see you can see all the folders has been created based on the item collection which we have passed to the Foreach loop container. So what we are going to do here, again I am going to delete all the folders from the root directory and stop the program and execute the program again. Now you can see it is blank. If I am going to click on OK button, that means this value is going to be passed to file system task, which is responsible to create the directories. Okay, now you can see all the directories has been created and the year should be 2018 and current month is May and day is Friday. So it is very easy to use for each loop container, and we can use for each item enumerator collection to generate the directory paths, or if we want to we can use it for any other purpose also. For in our incoming videos we are going to explore more about item collections enumerator with the help of for each loop container in our incoming videos. So please subscribe my channel on YouTube to learn more about in SSIS.